Children, I want you to look here. When Karthik came back home, he was very sad. He looked at his toys, but there was no smile on his face. After seeing the children in the slum meaning a place where all the poor people lived. Okay, he had visited his neighborhood, the poor neighborhood, so that's a slum. He realized, realized how lucky he was. He said sorry to his parents and promised to start sharing his things with others. He also promised not to tease anyone, ever. Tease meaning to make fun. Okay, remember what is tease? Tease meaning fun. He also promised not to tease anyone ever, so that he would never tease anyone ever. Now, when Karthik came back, he was very sad. Can you see this picture here? He's sitting with his toys, but he's very sad. His father is looking at him, and Karthik is feeling so sad looking all the toys there. Why he was looking so sad? Yes, children, there was no smile on his face. Now, looking at the children in the neighborhood, in the slum, the poor children, he realized how lucky he was. He said sorry to his parents and promised to start sharing his things with others. And he would never tease anyone ever now. So, children, we must always try to share our things with others. We should be lucky that we are getting all what we want. Our parents are providing us. Isn't it, children? Your parents are providing you with all the best of things. Toys, clothes, eatables, whatever you want. They all are providing you with all the best of things. But you should also be thankful for all those things which you are getting. There are children who are not able to get even proper food, clothes, houses, not even toys to play. But you are lucky, you are getting even so many things to play. So many things are useful for you that the parents are providing you. So, try to share, children. Learn to share every little thing what you have. Yes, children? And don't try to tease anyone. Don't try to make fun of anyone. It's a very bad habit. Yes? So learn good things. Yes, children?